Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in bright white. With black headlamp bezel finish, gloss black Jeep badging, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black daylight opening moldings, black lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, ALPINE 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3002A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.